Hi guys, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I've got a collective, fairly large haul, and I need this off my desk. So let's get through it. I have a small little alley haul, and I've been saying that they've been on point. There is an 11/11 sale coming up. I've had some stuff in my cart, and I'm ready to go next Friday. So I love this trim so much. It is a bow on a what seems like it's a tulle, and it has a little pearl center. I just love the little layer on this, and I'm just gonna cut around this. And I think this is about 2 yards if I had to guess. I'm not really that great with measurements, but I did pick this up in a white and a pink. I think this would be great for Christmas or basically anything, because pink and white are the jam, and I'm so excited. These next items, I have no idea why I got them, because I'm not really a cutesy crafter. Some people are so good with this, but if you are a doodle bug lover, these little resin pieces are so cute. I did get them to like add them onto a plastic bale. I always say that, and I hardly ever do it because I hate waiting for the glue to dry, but I just needed them. These little gingy girl with her bow in her hair with the little colored cheeks, so cute. This one's like a red cheek, that's a pink cheek. Ugh, she's so dang cute. If you love Doodlebug, I finally feel like these are the Doodlebug vibe. I got the little Christmas tree with the little Santa hat. Look how cute that is. I just love them. I love them, love them, love them. I also have my little this is my Buttons Galore and More. I am on the design team. I do have a discount code if you're interested in this Christmas kit, and really has some fun, great items on this. This is the crystals, and it has some fun white, red, and green. They got the sparkly sentiments. So cute. Got the half pearls. This is like a red, a green, and a gold. This Santa's treat is adorable. Got some gingies and candy cane and the red circles. It's such a cute little mix. This one came with some acrylic little tags, and I love this. I can't wait to alter this one. This is Santa's Here Sparklets. Really pretty. We got some sugar glitter buttons. So pretty. And then it comes with these little charms. Old fashioned lights. Look how pretty they are. So I'll leave my discount code as Crafty5 down below if you are interested in any of the Buttons Galore items. I also have a scrapbook.com haul. I was in dire need for these, so I love sprays. I love sprays. I think they're add so much texture and color and pop, and I was in dire need because my sprays were clogged, and I tried taking off the cap, doing the splatter technique, but I don't know, it didn't spray quite the same. So I picked these replacement ones up, and I gotta stop watching Tim Holtz lives because these candy canes are so cute. I also got the other one. I am waiting for that to come in. These measure about 2 inches, and I just love how skinny and short they are. Perfect for little embellishments. I also got the foundry wax. I just saw him demo this on the live or show project with it. I just thought it was so cool. I got the sterling and the gilded, and I want to try this. I know that you add the drops onto anything, and then you heat blast it, and it stays sealed, and I just thought it was just like magic. So hopefully that works. I also got some distress mediums. I got the frosted crystal embossing powder. Now I need to stamp more. So that is my goal for 2023. I have stamps, I have inks. I just need to use them. So I'm gonna try. So I bought this, and then I also got this one. It's the grit paste snowfall. This is a translucent paste, which I never had before, and I'm interested to see how it works. I will come back with a project, I promise. I went to Tuesday morning, you guys. Yay! So finally, Tuesday morning has been getting good, or getting back to what it used to be. Full glory. So I did get this Beaters mini kit. My New York ones are not that great, but it was just nice to walk the aisles. If the stores felt like old times. This was $9.99, and it is a Beat Smith brand, which I love. It comes with the chain nose pliers, the round nose pliers, and the flush cutters, and some little tweezers, which I love. And I figured I could take these on like trips or when I'm going to a crop. I just thought it was like a fun little kit to have. They come with these little scissors too, which I thought was great. Oh, I'm sorry about the police. Anyways, this little, I don't know what these are. These little trays. These are great. I always wanted one, and I just actually prefer the smaller ones better. So this was $9.99. I thought it was a great deal. I'm really happy with my purchase. And they had snow and cocoa, which I've not seen in what seems like forever. Now, I didn't go crazy. I could have bought another pack. They had like 3, but I just got these. So I'm excited to play with these. I think this would make fun embellishments. I'm going to just try to use them. So we'll see. I got some, one round trip stickers. I was looking for more, but they didn't have a lot in my store. So I got the cardstock stickers. This will do. I don't think I actually have these. So this is nice to have. I also bought chipboard. I have no idea why I bought this chipboard because I don't even have this collection. Busy sidewalks, but I think it was just like the excitement of seeing a chipboard, a chippy and Tuesday morning. I was like, oh my gosh, I needed it. So I bought one. And I figured, hey, it's Christmas. You can't go wrong with this stuff. Like, you can just, you know, incorporate it. I'll make it work. I also got, I got this paper of busy sidewalks. I have no idea why I bought it. It's, how many is in? 25 in a pack. I love the print on this. I actually like the print on the front. Oh, this is kind of even though it matches my nails, but The front was really cute. I'm probably going to share some because I thought it was really cute. And for $3.99, I was like, yes. I also picked up this little expandable paper storage because I've been looking to make a better way to store my basil cardstock. I love basil cardstock. So I just buy the bulk at, like, there's a store that I buy it from. And I just wanted to keep it in this. So we'll see how that goes. I'm sorry about that. This goes for $7.99. So if you're looking for this. And then I made a haul. I gotta get some stuff off my desk. Okay. I've been so bad this month. It was also my birthday month, so I went a little ham. I made a purchase. Cheap scrapbook. They sent me a 30% discount code for my birthday. Now, if you have not signed up, it's definitely worth it. Just do it because you know what? 30%, and they sent me a free gift, you guys. So this was their free gift. It is an Echo Park paper, like, collection, I guess, or some sheets. And I thought this was so nice. Like, this is so nice to send to someone on their birthday. Look how fun this paper is. So it's just a couple of sheets of 12 by 12. I'm loving that they sent me 3 cupcake papers. Yay! Okay, so it's a couple of sheets of this fun party paper. And I'm not mad at it. I think that's really sweet that company celebrates their customers. So I'm over the moon. So thrilled. And specialty paper is really fun. So yes to the special happy birthday free gift. I'm just going to put that in over there. I bought this stamp press. Don't ask me why, because I just said I need to stamp more. Bought this stamp press because of Anna, Serenity Creations. I saw her haul this for Frank Garcia, and I was like, man, I got a 30% discount code. I'm just going to buy it. It's blush pink. And I was like, yeah, who wants to press down their stamp tool? I want a fancy pink stamp thingy. So I bought it. I don't know why I'm going to use it or when I'm going to use it rather, but I bought. Picked up another tonic glue, Nouveau glue. I cannot have enough of this. At this point, I think I bought like 6 bottles this year. I'm burning through this like hotcakes. So bought that. I bought the Satan crystals. I did not buy this. when I initially bought this collection, but I saw it, I wanted it, I bought it. Also picked this Prima poinsettias. I don't know why I bought it. I thought they were really, I don't know, they were pretty. I got them. And then I got this stencil, Simple Stories, Frosty Snowflakes. I thought this could be fun with that grit paste that I just bought. So we'll see about that. And then, you guys, so I am such a sucker. So I have a hard time committing to, I don't have a hard time committing to a collection, but the Candy Cane Lane, I did buy 2 packs of 8x8s. Now I have burned through a whole paper pad, and the second 8x8 I've already cracked. And then the 12x12 sheets, I love this stripe one. I've probably used so much of this on my projects. So I bought 4 of these because I'm a psycho and I needed more. And then I was like, you know what? I'm just going to buy the 12x12 because I'm going to have some crazy regret later on if I don't buy this and there's no more. I could have probably waited until after Christmas, but I had a 30% coupon. So I was like, you know what? Spoil yourself. So I purchased it. I'm really loving this collection this year. And I'm sure you've already seen it. I'm just going to do a quick flip through. Like, I just love it. I just love it, you guys. It's so pretty. And, you know, if I love it and I burned through so much of it, I figured it's worth the investment. So I picked up a 12x12. So yay. Also have this. So now on the website, this was listed as felt paper, like felt paper. It's not felt, which is red. So I feel a little duped, but I'll make it work. I'll use red. And then I picked up this acetate sheet. I have no idea why I bought another one. I just wanted it. It's pretty. And that's it, you guys. I need to clean my desk. And yeah, stay tuned for some fun projects, you guys. I've been crafting here and there for Christmas, and I'm really excited to share with you what I've made so far. And I hope everyone has a lovely weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.